I had someone cancel plans on me today and honestly, relieved.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
I don't know, I think she's becoming an adult, you guys. It's like I'm a whole new human being. Good morning, besties. I am so excited because today is Monday. Monday is my favorite day of the week because I usually have it off and it's just to myself to get some other miscellaneous work done. I woke up this morning and honestly was just so excited to get back on my A-game and start vlogging again. It's been a second since it's just been me on the vlogs. Kevin is very much at work today, so we're just gonna be hanging out. We are planning to redecorate the bedroom today, and so we do have to get some things from Target and go for a haul. And by the way, if you're wondering why the tag is still on the pants, it's because I can't decide if they're a little bit too small and I want to size up or if I want to keep them. So I'm trying them on in the house. Comment down below if you also do that. I'm gonna check the stock market this morning. Now, I don't actually use Robinhood to buy the majority of my stocks, but for some reason, I look up stocks on Robinhood, and this is what I use on my phone to kind of see where the prices are at. The stock that I most frequently purchase is just an index fund. It's VOO, the Vanguard Index Fund that tracks the S&P 500. I am pretty much just going with a dollar cost averaging approach and buying it pretty frequently. I don't have it set up on a recurring purchase because I like to just set it low and buy more when it's a little bit lower, but I end up typically buying some every week. Initially, when I first started learning about stocks, I put 5K in Robinhood just to kind of play around with it and see if I liked it, which is why I still have that 5K in Robinhood. I typically use TD Ameritrade. That's my platform of choice. My approach with the stock market is just to buy low and then hold. I don't sell anything. This is not money that I immediately need, and so I just keep everything in there and I plan to take it out closer to retirement. And so inevitably over time, with the economy growing, everything will be a net positive. And so it doesn't really stress me out with the highs and the lows. And I'm very thankful to have parents who are very well versed in this kind of stuff. And over the last couple of years, I've been learning about investing and how to achieve financial freedom. And it's very much something that I'm working towards. I just realized I don't think I've ever talked about investing on this channel before. I know it's a little bit different than my typical healthcare content, but it is something that I really love. So leave me a comment down below if you'd be interested in hearing a little bit more about investing and how I handle my finances. So Costco croissants are one of my favorite things on earth. And if you just pop in the air fryer for like 2 minutes, they get so crispy. Okay, we've got the goods. Croissants are just so good. I can never say no. Don't judge me, but I only like to eat the crispy parts of it and then I don't eat the inside. Here is the fit for today. It's kind of like rainy outside, so unfortunately we need to wear a jacket, but cute little butterfly top and mom jeans. Mom jean shorts? Jean shorts. Okay, about to head out to run all of the productive errands that I need to do. Before we do that, I just want to say thank you, literally you, the person watching this video right now, because you guys keep me accountable. If I didn't have to vlog, I'd probably just sit around at home and do nothing. So thanks for forcing me to, you know, get my life together. It's so appreciated. Also, updated fit. I know a bunch of you guys have been asking me about this Prada bag. This bag is from Prada. I did get it from Ala Moana in Hawaii, and it's one of my favorite bags. But I have to say, out of all the luxury things I purchased in Hawaii, the Golden Goose are by far my favorite. I wear them almost every single day, and they're so cute. Okay, let's go. just picked up our mail from the P.O. box, which by the way, we actually got a new P.O. box, so I'll leave everything in the description box below. So if you want to send Kev and I something, we would love to hang up a letter or whatever. Okay, we're at Target making a return. We wanted to deck out the room in pink, but these are actually twin size sheets and we have a full size bed, so we need to swap that out. So I normally don't bring the big camera out when I'm vlogging in public because it makes Kevin really nervous, and so I usually just use my iPhone, but since it's just you and me today, we can do whatever we want. I was really tempted to stay and shop in Target, but I know if I walk in, then we're gonna walk out with a bunch of stuff we don't need. So I'm gonna leave because we're going to Home Goods anyways. Okay, now at Home Goods, holy smokes, it looks so gloomy today. Truly, it's an introvert's dream to be able to just shop and do what I want and recuperate. Like, being able to get alone time is my absolute favorite. I had someone cancel plans on me today and honestly, relieved. Okay, so on the menu this week, we are making Japanese curry, fried rice, and then also hot pot. So that's the materials that I got today. I thought I'd show you a little grocery haul. So we have our hot pot soup base. These are my ultimate favorite wontons. I always get these. I feel like when I was a kid, they used to be like $4 a pack, and now they're like $9. It's like kind of expensive. Here is the beef short rib for the hot pot. Natto. Natto is actually Kev's favorite. I'm okay with eating it, but Kev loves it to death, so I always get it for him. And then Yakult was actually on sale today. It was only, I think, $1.99, which usually it's like $3 or $4 depending on where you go. So got 2 of those. We have some 𝘀ecie𝗰𝗶𝗹 according to the katakana. The rest of the stuff isn't super exciting. It's like a lot of meat and veggies. Did get some takoyaki. We did get some aonori and other stuff to put on it, so it should be delicious. Yeah, and the rest of it is just like mushrooms, cabbage, and veggies for the hot pot. So we got these fridge organizers, and they put these little like sticky tape things on the bottom, and I can't get them off. You guys will have to comment down below and let me know, because I feel like the YouTubers that I like to watch the most are just daily vloggers who, you know, do normal things. And I mean, I'm literally watching them do all the things that I would do, like do my laundry, do my dishes, but I don't know, there's just something so relaxing about them. So comment down below and let me know if you're here just for the medical content or if you like watching random vlogs too. Oh my god, you guys, look how aesthetic this is. I am being influenced by TikTok. Wow, I wish I got another pack so that I could fill this hole in. I could not for the life of me get these stickers off, and I'm not gonna attempt that because it's gonna be even worse, so I'm gonna Google how to get these off later on. But she does look a little bit more organized. I feel like I need to get a couple more containers for this kind of stuff, but now we have a meat box, actually double meat box, and then some organizers. So now that I know this works, I'll probably get some more for the top shelf too. Okay, you guys might die. I almost died a little bit looking at this. Kevin and I decided to redo the room a little bit, and I asked him if we could do pink, and he was totally okay with it. So I just kind of decked it out. Let me just show you guys. Okay, so I've never actually had like a cute pink room before, so I feel like this is kind of a dream come true. So all this stuff is actually from Target. It's a nice comforter set, a tassel basket, also from Target. And these cute polka dot bins, also Target. These cute little flowers, obviously not styled by me. Patty actually put these together for me. We got them from Anthro. They are super duper adorable. I couldn't decide if I wanted to get all 4 polka dots, but I decided to leave the bins on top because they're pretty convenient. And then we'll probably get some wall art because it looks pretty naked up here. And then maybe swap out this lamp for a pink one. And then we have this big giant basket, and my computer is also pink, but that's pretty much it. Now that we actually love the space that we're in, we spend a lot more time trying to buy pieces that make our home feel more comfortable, but it just feels fun to kind of switch it up a little bit, puts us in a way better mood. So Kev just texted me and told me that he's leaving in 5 to 10. Okay, but seriously though, you have to admit this spread looks pretty darn good. So it's obviously no secret that I am not the world's best cook. I talk about it all the time, but to be honest, I used to cook a lot in college and then I kind of stopped, and recently I've been very much picking it up again. Honest reality is that Kevin works so darn much that I always do my best to try to make sure that food is ready by the time he comes home, because literally by the time he gets home, he's already worked anywhere from 12 to 18 hours and all he wants to do is eat, sleep, eat, shower, and then sleep. I feel like in the beginning, cooking was kind of intimidating because like anything that you don't know how to do, you're just like very much out of your comfort zone. The thing is that cooking actually brings me so much joy and I love doing it because I'm a huge foodie. As I'm learning new things, I'm just Googling new recipes and how to cook certain things, but I'm totally open to learning, and if it's something that improves the quality of life for both Kevin and myself, I think it's a really cool skill to have. I don't know, I think she's becoming an adult, you guys. She's cooking, she's cleaning, she's redecorating the house. It's like I'm a whole new human being. Those of you guys who have been around since the beginning, like mad props. You guys should comment down below and tell me the things that you've noticed have changed about me, because I feel like sometimes it's way easier to tell from a third-party perspective than, you know, me looking at myself, you know? Wow, I just cleaned the lens caps and everything looks way clearer, so maybe that was the issue all along, because I feel like the last couple of videos have been slightly blurry.
Yeah, are you waiting for dinner?
Hi!
Hello.
How's your day?
Okay.
You exhausted?
None of my brain cells are alive or awake.
You mean your two brain cells?
Yeah, they're not talking to each other.
Okay, we're catching Kev's reaction.
Oh, you got me the natto. Is this the right brand?
Yes, it's the one
I
that
want
you
the one with the woman face on it, but thank you.
So picky! Wait, this one was the most expensive one. I thought it was gonna be the fanciest
Oh,
one.
I don't know. I've never had this brand. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Isn't it pretty? I even changed the bottom one to match. And I was gonna get some like paintings to go on the wall.
That's so cute.
Is it pink too much? Do you like it?
No, I like it.
Are you okay with it?
Yeah.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Like of all people in the world to like redecorate, like.
Did you show Patty yet?
Yeah, I did. She's proud of me too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make hot pot. How is it?
This is so good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm gonna try the sauce. It's a little bit vinegary.
Mmm. Yummy. Okay guys, I'm gonna let Kevin rest. We're gonna close the vlog here. We will see you guys next week.
Thank you for the food. It's very tasty
Aww.
and healthy.
Don't forget your 10 out of 10 and don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise, and
What's the other thing we're supposed to say?
your best is enough. Okay, bye. See you next week.